Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to paint a bathroom. A roller and a roller, and you'll want a roller that has at least a 3/8 inch nap roller to it. And one thing with rollers to keep in mind as far as what thickness of roller to do is that the thicker the roller, the heavier the texture of the paint. So if you've got walls that are very rough, like a concrete wall, then you'll use a thicker roller so you can able to get the paint in there. The smoother the finish, the shorter the nap. But the 3/8 is kind of a standard and works best for painting most rooms. The next thing you'll need is you're going to need a good paintbrush for cutting in around the edges and corner. And then you'll need some painter's plastic and some tape. And one thing that's handy is that you can get these paint mask, and it has actually masking tape and plastic all in one. So I'll just rip off a small piece to demonstrate. So now what we can do is we can take this and around all the areas that we're going to paint, we just mask this on, and then you pull your plastic out so you can cover your countertops, you can put it around the base molding, cover up the floor. Now once we do that, what we want to do is we want to take our paint and we actually want to cut in an edge that's at least about 2.5 inches up the wall. And then once we do that, that'll allow us to take our roller, and as you can see, our roller will come down, and before hitting down here on the counter, we can get about 2 inches from that counter. So the first thing we want to do is we want to work in an area, and we want to cut what we call cut in the edges. So you want to do the corners of the room with the paintbrush, you want to do around the edges, and if you're not doing the ceiling, then you want to do the edge around the ceiling, and then use the roller to get the main part of the wall. And you know, if you happen to be like in this case with the bathroom where you're painting the ceiling the same color, you don't have to worry about that, but you do have to use the brush still to get the paint into the corners. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to paint a bathroom.